Yeah, here we have a Jet ARBOGA 20-inch 8-speed floor drill press. It's 115 volt. It is unused. It has some shipping distress. We'll show you that in a little bit. But most importantly, the machine is in otherwise really good condition and it runs very nicely. So what we do is we pull out the e-stop here, and this is your switch. You turn that switch on. Right, so you have your low speeds. You flip back your guard, you can see. And your high speeds. Of course, it sounds like it's running at low speed. That's 260 RPM. We checked all the speeds on here. Everything appears to operate correctly. That's 1070 RPM. And this will be 535 RPM. This is your manual down feed. Smooth as silk. So everything on this machine does operates very nicely. Push our e-stop back in. Now what had happened here, this control panel box, well, it broke off. There's a couple of pieces here that, you put the cover on like this. Well, this cover here is bent, so actually you have to remove the wiring off the motor and either fix the cover or purchase another one. Also, there's two screws that go through here. We extracted one of the screws. Both of them broke off. We extracted one of the screws. We put this temporary metric screw in here. The other one's still stuck in there. I couldn't get it out. But other than that, all the functions on the machine operate very nicely. It's a great little floor drill press. And if I could afford it, it'd be sitting in my shop. Includes some instruction manual here. Parts manual. This machine is made in Sweden. Model number 354027. And we thank you for looking at our product.